I'm just sleeping. Do you like my big lecture? Oh, that's nice. Welcome to the next page. And we're reading the comets and asteroids, comets and type clouds and all clouds. Ooh. 6165 is some part of the solar system. Its head is called the upper crescent. Is between Senna and the planet's name. So look, we are learning. Phase 1525550. A type of an asteroid. Beginning, it has other asteroids too, named Clylon, Elis, Kenneth. This is 1112210. It is a huge, massive constellation. Also have comets. We also have comets made up of hot burning gases and the different colors. This strange-looking comet. It is called 91111111. It's a strange-looking comet. A competition. The moon is called Belson in the solar system. Tomorrow. Bye. We do something on chapter 6 during the moons. So if you have the same value of moons, it can have Titus, Dawn, Rhea, Iapetus, and Titan. Like the others, like Titania, O1, Aries, Saturn, Melander, and Ariel. See you tomorrow. Bye. Subscribe on the channel. Oh, wait. right here next to your channel.